Well, I just received my new welder from Amazon. Pretty excited about this. There it is. It's got all the cable feeds. It comes with a generous roll of air weld, and we got our cleaning brush and our tip. It's like a nice stainless steel tip on there. And we got our quarter cords. And after this, we'll find out how it works. Here we are with the wire welder. We could also use a stick welder application, and we can also bump it up to 220 if we want more heat, more penetration. It's as easy as turning on the switch on the back. And you can hear that powerful fan. Gotta make sure your ground clamp is on good, and then we're gonna start welding. Safety first. Put our gloves on. All right, here we go. Beautiful weld. As you can see, penetrated that 1/4 inch steel quite easily.